Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your password in BWIN, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for BWIN in Google. Now right after that you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you just need to click on it, and you will be redirected to the official page of BWIN where you can see login option at top right corner. Just click there and you will be able to see forget your password option shown in the screen. Once you click there, you will be redirected to the another page where it is asking us for our email address and our date of birth. Once you complete your credentials, simply click on submit, and once you verify your email address, you will be able to reset your password successfully. So basically this is how you can reset your password in BWIN. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.